My good guess is they will give it to us like step by step, not in one big package. So today, as you were saying, it's an historic meeting because it's the official end of its net asset purchase program. Having said that, it doesn't mean that the ECB stops buying corporate bonds at all, because the reinvestments are very sizable. So the big question is whether they might actually give themselves a bit more flexibility when it comes to reinvestment, because everybody clearly is looking at specific countries like Italy, and also whether they give us a new capital key. The capital key is quite an interesting one, because if they were to adjust the capital key to the new GDP weights, then Italy would actually have a smaller part of their reinvestments, which probably is not a good sign or a good thing for the country. So having said that, this is one part, and another part is clearly whether Draghi might perhaps also show a bit more pessimism about the economy, because until now the ECB is extremely bullish about the Eurozone economy in comparison to other economists. Of course, that is also emboldening them to keep their exit strategy intact. So that is one big area as well to watch out for. Any comments about perhaps a bit of a souring mood as well inside the ECB when it comes to the economic outlook. And another big area is clearly interest rate guidance, because for now they keep on telling us they keep rates at their current level at least throughout the summer of next year. And the market is kind of shifting their expectations a bit more towards the end of next year now, because clearly the economy is going south. So another big area is that. And last but not least, we get new staff projections for inflation and GDP. And also here the key is whether we see perhaps a downward correction, not only to GDP growth, which is more or less a given, but also to their inflation outlook. So it's a big package today for Mario Draghi. They have kept us waiting quite a bit for all these details for that meeting here, which is taking place right behind me at that big building. I think we have never seen it from so far. That's the ECB at 2:30 CET.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.